Hey, John from ServPro. Wanted to show you how we clean our equipment with a tool that you may see being used in your home or business. This is the Ducray Carmen Super Inox Steam Cleaning System. It's a dry steam that we use to clean and disinfect many surfaces. Comes with an array of attachments that can be used for different applications. Fred's down here cleaning some of the equipment, so I just kind of wanted to show you this piece of equipment being used. You're able to add cleaning products to the machine to boost the effectiveness of the cleaning process. The steam by nature will reduce bacteria and viruses by 99.9%. The Insta-Dry steam makes it safe to use on sensitive items that we come across, such as keyboards, telephones, and hospital equipment. So as you can see, this is another great resource that we have here at ServPro. By keeping our equipment clean and disinfected, we can help prevent the cross-contamination of debris, bacteria, or viruses. With this and other equipment and products, our technicians can assist in the cleaning and disinfecting of the novel coronavirus. So if you're in need of cleanup and restoration, please give us a call. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.